Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to enable ChatGPT voice login or sign in with Passkey. If you want a faster password-free way to log in, ChatGPT now supports Apple Face ID or Touch ID passkeys, making sign in quick and secure. Step number one is to update the ChatGPT app from the App Store to the latest version. Passkey and voice sign-in features are only available in newer releases, and they are still rolling out region by region, so it might not also be available in your region. Open the ChatGPT app and sign in with your usual method: Apple ID, Google, or email password. Once logged in, go to security by tapping the three dots icon in the top right corner. Next, what you're gonna do is tap account or security, then look for enable passkey or sign in with face ID, touch ID. Tap it to activate, and a pop-up from iCloud keychain will appear. Tap continue to register your passkey. From now on, you can sign in with Face ID or Touch ID or a device passcode. No need to re-enter your credentials. Privacy tip: passkeys are stored securely in iCloud keychain and are tied to your devices. They cannot be phished or stolen like regular passwords. And quick fix: if the passkeys do not appear, make sure iCloud keychain is turned on, and then restart your iPhone, reopen ChatGPT. If it still does not so, log out and log back in to refresh the security settings, and that's it. Subscribe for more.